Hi and welcome to the video. In this video we're going to look at EQs explained in Adobe Premiere Pro. We will look at graphic equalizers, we will look at the different bands that are available and also the settings depending on the 10, 20 and 30 bands of the graphic equalizers. This links to our previous video where we looked at how to do noise removal or reduction of background noise in Adobe Audition. So let's do this and raise your game. Open Premiere Pro. Right, so in our previous video, as explained before, we showed you how to play with the loop button and then also how to find a problem frequency in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this video, we now look and go deeper into how we did this process and also why we look at the EQ parametrics and also the EQ graphics. But the best way to do this is to go actually into Adobe Premiere Pro and link your audio straight to Adobe Audition. So if you want to know how to do that, stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you exactly how to link that to Adobe Audition if you have multiple tracks. If you don't have Adobe Audition, this is going to be Premiere Pro. So graphic equalizer, 10 bands, 20 bands, 30 bands. So you want to go to your effects panel, click on filter and EQ, or you can just search for graphic equalizer and then you'll scroll down and you'll find parametric equalizer. So just drag that across onto your audio track. Just a simple hold left click in and drag it across. Alright, then we're going to go to effects controls up there. If you want to know how to arrange these windows, that makes it more of a flow for you, we'll also drop a video top right on the eye all about how to arrange the Adobe Premiere Pro windows. It helps with your flow, that way you know where everything is. Let's get back to the video here. As you'll see there, it says custom setup. You just click on edit and it will open up a flat line bar for you. So you have a H on the right for high frequencies and L on the left for low frequencies, and then in between you've got your different points for your frequencies. So in default you got vocal enhancer, but then we're going to look deeper about the graphic equalizers, which are 10, 20 and 30 bands. If you notice on the graphic equalizers, the 10, 20 and 30 bands will give you more options. Let's click and go vocal enhancer, and this is what they suggest. Now let's play the track and you'll see the track. Go to your effects tab and search for parametric equalizer. So there isn't much I have to do because I already fixed this in Adobe Audition and I brought it back in. Just following my own advice here how to loop. I'll just create an in and out point here. And what you're going to do now is you just play with the points. Bring them up, bring them down and see what works for you. Rap vocals, maybe change it.
While it's looping, you just play with the frequencies.
That's a 1K problem. So that's quite easy and simple. This is what you can do in Premiere Pro. So let's get into the bands of 10, 20 and 30 bands. And this is where you're going to get your value from of how to understand how EQ works. Just going to delete the parametric equalizer and just select and delete. You can also turn the effects on and off there. Problem frequency is 1K, bit of 2K. You're not going to use anything above 16,000 kilohertz and below 31. Even 8K actually. As you can see here, I've got a bit of a bird wing with a kick because 8K is not necessarily something somebody's going to listen at. Right, now let's play around with this and let's see.
Drag and drop that onto your audio.
Not much of a change.
And drop that onto your audio. And then drag and drop that onto your audio.
You can hear the top ends.
Drag and drop that onto your audio.
Bit of the music.
And while it's looping, you just play with the frequencies.
There's a high end of the music.
Drag and drop that.
So I've got high end music. 16K won't do anything. Bass.
Drag and drop that onto your audio. And then while it's looping, you just play with the frequencies.
Yeah, music's got a little bit of bass coming through there.
And then while it's looping, you just play.
It's going to sound tinny, so watch your ears.
Drop that onto your audio.
But then you've got a bit of the echo again. If any times you need a reset, just hit the on and off switch next to presets or just select default and we'll go back to normal. So we're just playing around with the EQs, and that's the best way to learn. And if you're getting value from this tutorial, just hit the like, comment what other explanations you would like about EQ, comment where and what you tried. That'll be great. Let's go a little bit more in depth, and then the Adobe Audition key I want to give you. So let's try vocal presence boost.
Done in Adobe Audition.
It's pretty good, so I don't really need much change there, but I did make it Adobe Audition clips. So the 20 bands, what do they give you? They give you just a bit more of an option. And 30 bands, custom setup edit. You know, they're just giving you more options, but you see it's more instrument focused, this one. So let's see lead vocal, presence and clarity, they say drop off on 200. Let's see if I've made a good change.
Has been done in Adobe Audition. Alright, so you'd right click and you'd go. This has been done in Adobe Audition.
So as you can hear how I switch it on and off here, there is a big difference, but the presence is still pretty good. And now what you've been waiting for, the Adobe Audition tip. Right, so if you've got multiple tracks or a single track and you need to really dive deep into it, right click on it, left click, edit clip in Adobe Audition. It's going to open up in Adobe Audition and you'll have a whole new world. The graphic equalizers plus the parametric equalizer and the noise reduction, they do relatively a good job if you just have Premiere Pro. It's a small bit of knowledge, a little bit of EQs. If you want to know more about Adobe Audition, you know, top right corner I've got some videos playlist that you can watch. Or just hit that notification bell and it will tell you exactly when the next video is up. These videos here, click them there, they'll take you to further knowledge and about our channel. Great, let's do this, raise your game.